That's what I thought you said. Now let me offer this as a rebuttal.
What's up, guys? It's your girl only Aaliyah. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't be shy and hit that subscribe, and if you're cool, hit the like button too. So today's video is going to be how to tint your eyebrows. If you can believe it, my eyebrows aren't drawn on. I did not draw my eyebrows on at all. This is just from tinting them. Okay, so just continue watching if you want to learn how to tint your eyebrows the correct way. Let me teach y'all how to really tint your eyebrows and get it popping, because even when I take off all this makeup, y'all, my eyebrows still gonna be slapping. So stay tuned and just continue watching. Let's get straight into the video. For this video, you're going to need some witch hazel, and for the time being, this is the witch hazel I have to use. Now you're gonna need a cotton ball. Hello. And then the other thing you're gonna need is, of course, the box of Just for Men. And inside, it comes with a little plastic thing. You also have the color stuff, and then it comes with the developer. And then it also comes with this brush. I use something smaller to make sure I get that precision, okay? You're also gonna need one of these little foofy things. If you get one of these, just get a pack. It does not have one use. So yeah, anyways, what you're gonna start by doing, you're gonna pour a little bit of your witch hazel on your cotton ball, and you're gonna swap your eyebrows. Because you want to pretty much get whatever oils is on your eyebrows off your eyebrows. Because, oh, let me look at y'all into this. I wipe the middle, even though that stuff is not going to go in the middle. But I still wipe it just in case, you know. And I wipe like around and under my eyebrow and on my eyebrow. And also go this way too. Because, you know, the hair is laying down. Could be hiding some stuff, you know what I mean? So now you want to take these two. Now the color I got is dark brown. They have black, and I know like my eyebrows and stuff like that, they look like they're black, but y'all, let me tell you something. Now, I didn't get black for any times that I used this stuff, but I've seen people that got black and it was too dark for their face, okay? So even if, like, you know, your hair looks black, just get dark brown, because it'll look so much more natural than getting black. So take the little thing they gave you, and you want to put a little bit in the corner. I like to put it in the corner, and I just put literally a dot in there. There's that. And then I have the natural color developer right here, and I'm going to squeeze that on top. Now we got both of them. Now what I do is I take the end of this and I just mix them. A lot of YouTubers that do this don't tell you about. It's not meant to tint your skin. It will tint your skin, but like if you outline your eyebrows with this stuff, like that's only gonna stay for like 2 days, maybe 3. As far as the actual hair, like your actual eyebrows, it's gonna stay for probably like a week, maybe 2, just depends. I honestly feel like at most, regardless of how hard you wash your eyebrows or how you wash your face, it's gonna last at least a week. So yeah, anyways, I just recently shaped my eyebrows up, and I'll do a tutorial on how I arch my eyebrows. Okay, so now we are about to apply it on the eyebrows. Like I said, when I first started, I put this stuff like here and like did a block. Okay, y'all. No, guys, don't do that. You're gonna look crazy, okay? You will look crazy. So I'm gonna show you a trick. But okay, so this is where the little squeegee thing that I was telling you guys about comes in. What you want to do with your squeegee thingy is you want to brush your eyebrows where you want them to go first, so you know like where you're going with your color. So instead of starting here, okay, start like here, okay? Don't start here. I just can't stress that enough to y'all, because y'all really gonna look crazy if you start here. So I have a brick in front of my I'm just trying to warn y'all. So we're gonna start putting that logo on there. And once I start here, I just pretty much start outlining my eyebrow first before I start shading it in, or at least I try to outline it first. Sometimes it just don't happen that way, you know. And if it does get anywhere else, and if you get it somewhere that you don't want it to be, to wipe it off, because you're gonna have it in that like weird place for like 2-3 days before it actually washes off your skin completely. Now I done pretty much outlined my eyebrow, you see, but I'm going to go over it again. But okay, so when I first started, I started here, right? But I'm gonna go a little bit behind it, pretty much coating it up just behind where I first started. And y'all, this stuff be coming out so good that like when you doing makeup, you wouldn't even need to draw your eyebrows on. Okay, so eyebrow 1 done. Okay, now let's move on to the other eyebrow. See, it's getting darker. Oh, she died. Oh, she died. Now I know this side probably looks crazy because it's so dark and it looks really thick, but guys, just be patient. Don't get nervous, guys. Don't panic. Stick to it and get through it. Okay, so you're supposed to leave this on for 5 minutes. I'm leaving on for 10. See you in 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, y'all, we are back. I put some witch hazel on this rag right here so it's wet. So that is what my eyebrow looks like just from a wipe. So now you're gonna take your shampoo or co-wash, whatever you decide to use, and you're gonna put them on the eyebrows. Now that I have it off, like in or whatever like that, I'm gonna go wash it and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so this is what it looks like after I rinsed out my eyebrows. Okay guys, so that's how you tint your eyebrows.
Bye.
So with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope you found it very informational, and I hope that you please take my advice and not put the tinting here, guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and hit that like button. Also, again, if you're new, don't be shy and hit that subscribe, guys. And I'll see you guys Saturday for Story Time Saturday. Bye.
That's what I thought you said. Now let me offer this as a rebuttal.
Hey,